Okay, now in mathematics, my topic is surface areas and volumes. So now, area, if you talk about this one, so it is work in 2 dimension and it is your 3 dimension. It is what? It is 2 dimensional and it is 3 dimensional figures. Now the this is. If it's the length and if we have the breadth, so this is called the 2 dimensional. This is length and this is breadth. This is. So and they both are making 90 degree with each other. So this is 2 dimensional figure. And when we see this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. This one is. So now it's also making a 90 degree with this one, and it's also making a 90 degree, and it will also making a 90 degree. So when you will make this on the piece of paper here, so rather this is x, this is y, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So this is the 3-dimensional figure, and this is the 2-dimensional figure. So now it will clear your area. It will clear your lateral surface area. It is clear your whole surface area, while it will only clear your upper volume. Clear? Fine. So now, then the first, अब आपको इसमें मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं, ये actually this is the solids. Surface areas of solid you can say. Solid may be either rectangular, plan, means cuboid. So now, how you make the cuboids? When 2 rectangles are kept one over another, so now this in. One rectangle is this, second is this, and when you just joins the corners, so the new figure which is in front of it, this is the cuboid. So now, this is the cuboid. The cuboid is now, this is the 3-dimensional figure. 3-dimensional figure. Cuboid is now. So it is also the solid. So now, this A, B, C, D, E, and F. This is a length. So this is a length. This is a length. So now this is a length. Now this is breadth. Now this is breadth. This is breadth. This is breadth. Now this is height. This is height. This is height. This is height. Is it clear, sir? Any doubt? So now cuboid. So means a cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane regions. 6 rectangular plane regions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now this is the cuboid. So this stone is in the shape of cuboid. So now, so if you want to write it, what is the definition? Then how will define the cuboid? Means, a cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 what? Faces. जो आपको दिखाया पहले 6 rectangular आपका this rectangular regions. ये भी आप कह सकते हैं. इतना डिप्थ में हमने जाना नहीं है, हमने सिर्फ आपका इसकी डेफिनेशन आपको पता है. अगर आपका if you will take 2 squares, the 2 squares are added to each other, so the new figure will be आपका cube. Is it clear? So now, अब हम आते हैं lateral surface area of cuboid. Anybody who can tell me? जी. Pardon? जी. Is he right? जी बोलिए. See, to lateral surface area of cuboid means, now this is here. Actually, the meaning of this perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle into that is height. So now this, the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B or into H. So this is the lateral surface area or the curved surface area, and simple surface area भी आप कह सकते हैं. And this is, और यही इक्वल टू आप बनाओ सरफेस एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स भी होता है. 1 वॉल, 2 वॉल, 3 वॉल, 4 वॉल. तो ये lateral surface of cuboid is also surface area of 4 walls, and that formula is 2 into LB plus L, 2L plus 2B into H होता है. तो when you are taking 2 common, so 2 into L plus B into H हो जाता है. Is it clear? Then the second one formula is, now जो आपने बोला total surface area, it is also known as the whole surface area. When you are looking any object like this, so this is the lateral surface area or curved surface. When you are looking the object from all the 4 directions, all the 6 directions, that is then total surface area. This means देखो area of this, 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 area of this. तो आपका ना होगा this. तो means ये आपका जो आप लेते ना 2LB plus BH और plus HL कहते हैं आपका ना देखो this. ये फॉर्मूला आप लिखते हैं. So where from it's coming? देखो 2LB plus 2BH and plus 2HL. ये देखो. Then break this. LB plus LB plus देखो BH और plus BH और plus HL और plus HL. ये देखो. Actual में the formula which you are looking up ना देखो this. तो ये this is the area of top. ये देखो plus this is the area of bottom. ये देखिए एरिया ऑफ टॉप ऐसे कर दो, एरिया ऑफ बॉटम एरिया ऑफ दिस वन और प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस वन. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो एरिया दिस, ये लेंथ इनटू हाइट. ये देखिए लेंथ इनटू हाइट. नाउ देखो ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. नाउ ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट और आप ऐसे करेंगे तो देखो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ और आपका लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. सो ये ऐसे ही आप इसमें यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ लेफ्ट साइड, ये आपका लेफ्ट साइड आपका प्लस एरिया आपका देखो ना राइट साइड आपका ना देखो तो ये जो आपके सामने था देखो आपका ना ये इज इट क्लियर? एंड एरिया ऑफ 2 ends 2 एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड प्लस एरिया ऑफ सेकंड एंड, एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड और प्लस एरिया ऑफ सेकंड एंड. तब जाकर के हम इस फॉर्मूले को डेवलप करके आपके सामने बताते हैं. गॉट इट? नाउ देन द थर्ड वन इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इज, ये तो वेरी सिंपल, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. श्योर? सो नाउ देखो दिस. नाउ वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट द यूनिट. So whenever at last you are doing the calculation, so it will come either centimeter cube or meter cube or maybe kilometer cube, whatever is आपका ना आपके पास centimeter और meter cube होता है. When you talk about the area, area will be either centimeter square or meter square, and the same thing will be happen here, either this is meter square or the centimeter square. So these are 3 formula, but one formula is also, किसी को याद है? दिस सो नाउ फोर्थ वन इज डायगोनल ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. ये देखिए डायगोनल ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, ये फॉर्मूला याद है? द लॉन्गेस्ट रॉड which you can keep in this room is from there to here, yeah, either that top to that corner, yeah, either that top to that corner, or from this below to that top. So now that is the longest rod. So now this is verified. So now that is your L square plus B square plus H square, and it will be either in centimeter or meter only. Got it? So ये 4 formulas, they are on the basis of the cuboid. क्लियर है सर? डू इट. फिर उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ द सेकेंड फिगर इज क्यूब. क्यूब इट इज मेड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द 2 squares when you are just keeping with each other. So now this figure is this A. This is also A, this breadth is also A, and this height is also A. This is A, B, C, D, E. Sometimes some may ask the definition of the cube. The cube is nothing. Now the cube, when all the edges of a cuboid are equal in length, So now that is known, that figure is known as cube. Is that clear? Fine. So now the first formula is, this is very easy. So volume is equal to A into A, that is A cube, and it may be either centimeter cube or meter cube. This is fine. Then the second one is lateral surface area of cube, that is 4 into area of square, that is known as. So now, so this is 4A square. So it will either come in centimeter square or meter square. Why? Because area is attached there. Area means length into breadth. Yeah, side into side. No. Then the third one formula is total surface area or the whole surface area of cube. That is 6 into, now, area of square, that is a 6A square, either centimeter square or the meter square. Is it clear? So now, then, diagonal of cube, the same formula. In cuboid, that is under root L square plus B square plus H square. Because in cuboid, all the three sides are different. Either side means X, length, breadth, height, all are different. So now, if they all are equal, so that figure is cube. So now, it means they go A square plus A square plus A square. You will write under the square root, then 1A square, 2A square, and 3A square. Now look at this. So this is A root 3, either centimeter or meter. So this is, oh sorry, yeah, I was just looking at A root 3. अब ऐसे लिखोगे अगर तो मास्टर आपके मार्क्स काट सकता है. तो when third and the complete number is there, so now it will be written root 3A आपका नाम है सब written और written. Third is written first of all. लिख सकते हैं, हो सकता है somebody can give you the marks, लेकिन actually you have to write root 3A. Is it clear? And one more formula is there. Now if you find S of a cube, आपका नाम बता दीजिए. ये अगर आपको निकालना हो, इसका मतलब क्यूब रूट ऑफ वॉल्यूम कर दीजिएगा, ये नाम देखो, या और क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस इज द A क्यूब. तो ये आपका नाम देखो, दस खुद ही देख लीजिएगा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? A क्यूब, दिस इज द क्यूब रूट. बहुत डिफरेंस है. नाउ इफ आई एम राइटिंग दिस, so now this is not the cube root, because the distance between this square root and 3 is large. So when it is completely pasted with this 3, so now it will be read as a cube root of A cube. So now it will be turned into 1/3. Cube root हमेशा चेंज हो जाता है 1/3 में. Square root is always turned into 1/2. Nth root is always turned into 1/n. तो देखो 3 से 3 कैंसिल. तो क्यूब की एस क्या होती है? If volume is given, so we'll find out the cube root of that. So now when you are going to find out that, so easily you can find out the S either or the side of the cube. Is that clear, sir? So these 5 formulas are of your cube. Please write down.